learn how to use using Code Academy, you can actually take data from one database and put that on your site, okay? So this is an example of what I'm talking about. These little specks here are actually faces of people who are on Facebook. And if you zoom up a little bit, let me see if I can.
I'm right there in the middle.
You're right there in the middle? Let's see if we can pull it up here. I don't know what's going on. It's probably still loaded. But what this is something, it's basically like a college project that a programmer had set up. I don't know why it's not loading right now, but it is in the other class. Using an application programming interface, and that's, doesn't want to load. There we go. Okay. Just kind of give you an idea.
Are those pictures or?
These are pictures. These are pictures and actual accounts of people. Okay. So what this is using an application programming interface, someone can actually take data from one website and not even host it on their website, but actually have the information to see. So what would this site be useful for?
To find people.
To find people, surveillance, what else? Research, okay? So as you see,
Let me give you another example. The police use this whenever they need to find somebody.
you guys ever seen Catfish?
Yeah.
This is one way they could find you.
They use it when they're searching for people that could make crimes. A lot of times now, employers are using this as a verification. If I want to hire Brian, I want to see what Brian is all about. So I'll go on Facebook and look at Brian's information and see what he's actually publishing, what he's saying about. And do I really want to hire Brian? Let's see what his social skills are. Let's see what his background is. So you got to be very careful what you put out there in cyberspace.
Right, definitely. So what I wanted to do was just kind of, there's so many different ways that you can set up a website. Learning the code, though, actually can help you reverse engineer things and actually make your own items, okay? Because what you want to do is you want to be able to copyright and publish your own stuff and not use other people's information. But one other thing I wanted to show you is what you would need if you were trying to publish something to the iPhone. Let's see what we can do here. So this is so if I was going to use the iPhone, okay? So I was going to publish an app to the iPhone. So you're going to need to pay about, what, $50 a year, I think, to have an iPhone app. But one thing you're going to need is the CSR file, okay? It's a signings request, a download certificate, okay? You're also going to need a provisioning file, okay? And let me show you.
So with the iPhone, you have to pay $50 a year?
Yeah, I think it's $99 a year.
What about for Android?
Android, I think it's a one-time fee of $50, I believe. Okay, and then if you want to do Windows Phone, there's some things you would need. You have an AXAP file, that's the extension for Windows Phone. Okay, BlackBerry, the format would be a zip file. Kindle, you're looking at an APK file. Okay. But every single one of these are different platforms. When you talk about cross-platform, you're going to need to have design for each single one, okay? So then that's the beauty of using JavaScript or Java code. It's very easy to convert those, okay? So this is my APK file. This is what I would actually upload to the Google Play Store. Okay, after you do that, you process and upload that to the Google Play Store, okay? So pretty much the sky's the limit. I mean, you guys can design whatever you want. Okay, I wish I had Code Academy when I was in ninth grade. Okay, because believe it or not, you guys are the next Bill Gates. You guys are the next Mark Zuckerberg. Believe it or not. Okay, if you have patience to learn how to code, you can do what you want. Okay, so let me show you a little bit about the code and see what it looks like.